Hey guys, Jake Warner here from Sigenergy, and I'm joined by the one and only Will Hall from Sig. Will, how are you going?
Very good, mate.
The Smart Energy Expo has been good to you. How's your feet?
Yeah, hurting.
Big event last night.
Very big event last night. Big event today, very busy.
Awesome.
Good to introduce people to the new products. Lots of excitement.
Unreal. Mate, speaking of new products, please tell us what's new with the SigenStor product. You've got something exciting coming to market?
Yes, so SigenStor is obviously the flagship all-in-one energy storage system. Existing batteries, 5 and 8 kilowatt hour battery modules.
Yep.
We are now transitioning to the 6 and 9 kilowatt hour batteries, which are now CC listed.
Awesome.
So it brings down the dollar per kilowatt hour value.
Yep.
We've gone from 280 amp hour battery cells in the 5 and 8 to 314 amp hour cells, so more energy density.
And for those who already have the product, backwards compatible?
Exactly right. So if you've got a customer that's got, say, 2 8 kilowatt hour batteries, they'll be able to retrofit one of the newer batteries onto that stack.
Awesome, how exciting. And then we have something else which looks mind-blowing to me. It's beautiful. This is the Sigenergy SigenStor Neo.
Yes.
Let's have a look at this.
This is the new product.
This is beautiful.
It is, yeah. So why have we come up with a new product? What does it do?
Yep.
So essentially what's happened with the battery rebate program, it's kind of created a big demand for cheaper products.
Sure.
Okay. That's resulted in system issues because the quality's dropped.
Yep.
So we brought out a lower cost product that's still got that really good quality.
Yeah.
So there's a few differences between this and the SigenStor. Price is obviously reduced. You don't have the option to add the DC charger.
Sure, okay, yep.
That's one of the big ones.
Yep.
Three-phase inverter only goes up to 15 kilowatts on the Neo, 30 kilowatts.
30.
Yep. But there's actually some benefits of having this product. So you can actually do full home backup through the inverter.
Yeah.
You don't need to use a gateway.
The backup gateway.
Yeah.
Wow.
You have the option to use it if there's long AC cable runs.
Yep.
But if it's an easy kind of install, then the backup can be done through the inverter.
And so still a full true three-phase backup?
Yep, absolutely.
Awesome.
Yep.
And available single phase as well?
Single phase, so single phase goes up to 12 kilowatts, three phase goes up to 15 kilowatts.
And how about the battery blocks, Will? They look slightly different to the original version. How many kilowatt hours are they?
Yeah, so there's two versions. We've got 6 kilowatt hours and 8 kilowatt hours. You can mix and match.
Great.
They're different to the ones on SigenStor, different size. So you can't use one from SigenStor and one SigenStor Neo.
Sure. Well, there it is, guys. The new SigenStor Neo. It looks incredible. We're excited to get our hands on it, and of course the 9 kilowatt hour battery block. So, Will Hall, thanks for all your great work.
Legend.
Cheers, guys.
See ya.